Hello and welcome to Video Syndication. In this module, I'm going to show you how to upload your video to different video sharing platforms online. Video creation is one of the best ways to showcase your content and business. If you want your content video to reach bigger audiences, you need to share them online. However, you need to know what kind of video standard is considered the best for you to share. There are three important criteria that you need to keep in mind when you want to upload your video to your preferred video sharing platform. It's format, resolution, and display. So, whenever you want to save your video, make sure that the format is in MP4. This is currently the best video format out there because it's compatible to almost all devices and programs. Next is the resolution and its display. Make sure that your video size is at 1280 by 720 and displayed at 720p or above. This is what's commonly known as a high-definition video, or HD. This is the default video standard that must be practiced whenever you want to create a content video. Now that you've set your video to its best setting, time for you to start uploading them to some of the major video sharing platforms.